Welcome back everybody to this week's video. Today we've got a piece of spalted beech on the lathe, and today we're going to see if we can decorate it using some string. So we're starting off by turning it around using the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. And we're using the mid-size rougher to put a tenon on and getting it to circle or round. Switching to the detailer so it matches the angle of the jaws. Okay, back to the rougher to finish off making it a circle or round. And we're going to flatten off the end. And now we're going to bring up the tailstock, give it a little bit of support. And we're going to use the finisher to turn it to shape. Out the rougher again to take out any of them ridges and get a nice clean smooth finish. There's the parting tool to undercut it a little bit, and now we're going to start putting some little ridges in there ready for the ring a little bit later on. Okay, so here is the string, so we're going to start putting it down. We're going to do the red first, we're going to apply it, hold it down there with some O3A adhesives. A bit of accelerator there just to hold it in place. There we go. Wrap the string around a pencil and put the lathe in reverse. And now we'll swap to purple string. And finally some pink string. I put a layer of CA glue between each layer of yarn or string. And then we're just going to put a final layer of CA over the top. Leave that to soak in. Alright, so we're going to hollow it out now using the Forstner bit. Oh yeah. And now we're going to get to doing some hollowing. We're of course going to be using the #1 hollower, but first of all we're going to flatten the top off using the mid-size rougher. And now we're going to get to the #1 hollower, and we're going to hollow this little vase out. go. So I did all the sanding and finishing off camera of the inside, so now we're just going to switch round to the outside. So once again, I've already done most of the sanding, so we're just going to sand to 400 grit here. This is twin spore abrasives. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You can get some of this if you are in the USA from northsidecustomcrafts.com, or if you are in the UK you can get it from Axminster Tools. There are links down in the description. And finally, before parting off, some Hampshire Sheen microcrystalline wax. They rub it all over, wait for the vapours to evaporate, turn the lathe on to about 1000 to 1200, nice even pressure, and just buff it in, not pushing too hard. You don't want to wipe off all of the wax you've just put on. Right after parting off, there will be some pictures at the end. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, share it with your friends, share it with your family, you can share it with your enemies if you like. And until next week's video, I shall see you then. Bye bye for now.